Hello guys, this is Utkarsh. Today we are going to discuss about how to insert data or delete or modify or update data in a database. So this is an experiment or the queries. Actually, there is a furniture company database. Actually, already in the last session we already made this database. I mean, we created these tables. Now here we are going to insert the data into the database and then perform various operations, that is various commands on the database. Actually, this is called DML, I mean data manipulation language. So here is the spool file. Here we are selecting the customer table. Select asterisk from customer 001. So it says no row selected because there is no data in the customer table. So here we are going to insert the data in the customer table, and the query is insert into customer 001 values, and in the bracket we are going to define the values, that is 1, then John Doe, then 392 Sunset BLVD. This is actually in the same sequence as it is the column names, customer ID, that is customer ID, customer name, customer address, city, state, postal code, etc. So do this in the same order. So this is the syntax for that, and you can see this here is written one row created. Similarly, we will create all the other rows, the second row, the third, then fourth. So continue the same way. Um, Now we are going to insert the data in the order table. Insert into order 001 values. The bracket we are going to write the values. So it will happen like that, and the basically this is the syntax for that. Insert into table name in values. In bracket we have to write all the values in the same sequence as it is the column names. So after I mean inserting all the values, we will see what we have to do. This is our insert commands. So after inserting, we try to describe this product table. Just to check. So yeah, you can see. The second is update the postal code of Mary Smith to 10032. So this query is here. Insert into product 001 values. Actually, it's still inserting. Where's this one? Need to check. So these are the commands. Yeah. Insert into this is the last insertion, and this alter table product drop constraint pk2. So we are actually dropping the constraint pk2. Listen, so it's written in table altered. So this MySQL query is uh, successfully executed. Then alter table product 001 constraint pk2 product key, sorry, primary key product id. So it changes this primary key to product ID, and the constraint is pk2, this primary constraint, and then we are inserting into product. Then this is on insertion. Here we are changing alter table supplier 1 modify SID varchar 4. So it is changing the data type of the SID, S underscore ID, and the next is This is the same as insertion. And here it is updating supplier 001. See, update supplier 001. Set product ID equal to this much, where S underscore name equal to this. So it will change the product ID to 9999, where the S name is this triple C. Again, we'll update supplier 01. Set rating equal to 3, where S underscore name equal to triple C. So for the row where the S underscore name is triple C, it will update this rating as well as product ID, the respective values, and it will update the supplier table. uh, Set order quantity equal to 10, where S underscore ID is equal to S2A. So wherever the supplier ID is S2A, it will set the order quantity to be 10. So this is how we update any row in a table. So again, row creation. Here we come to updation. Here update supplier 001. Set gender equal to M, where S underscore ID is equal to S5. So wherever the ID is S5, it will set the gender as male. Now this is how we delete any row from a table. So the command is delete from table name. Here it is order 001, where order underscore ID is equal to 108. Means this where clause defines the condition to define the row which we have to delete. Now we select all the rows so that we can see like what are the changes that we made. So here we are displaying. The display command is select. So asterisk means all the rows. So select asterisk from supplier. Supplier means table name where rating greater than equal to 4. So it will display all the rows where the rating is greater than equal to 4, and will order it by rating. Means the rating is 544. Actually it is DC means in the descending order. So it has ordered by the rating in the descending order, that is 5, 4, and then again 4. So the next query is select asterisk from customer where customer name like percent y percent. So actually it will select all the rows in the customer table which contain customer name, uh, in which the customer name has a letter y in between or in the starting or at the end, wherever. So this is how this query is executed. So it selects Henry Smith because there is a y in this customer name. Only this was the row which contained y, so it displayed this. And again we tried to this select asterisk from customer 01 where customer name like J, J percent, J mod. So it means that it should start with J. The customer name should start with J, but there isn't any name with starting with J, so it displayed. Actually, this was small J, that's why it's not detecting. When we did capital J, so yeah, there were named John Doe and John Joy, so it displayed. Now we are updating this order quantity uh, to quantity by 2%, and this rating wherever the rating is greater than 4. So this is how we do it. Update order quantity 001. Set quantity is equal to quantity plus quantity into 2 by 100, that is by 2%, where This where clause defines the condition where rating greater than 4. Access is error. So the correct query is, hey, you can see update supplies is set auto quantity is equal to auto quantity into 1.02 where rating greater than 4. Here it displays the order ID from the order table where order date is 10th October 2014. So all the rows having the order date as 10th October 2014 will be displayed. Only the order IDs will be displayed for that. Since we didn't place the asterisk sign here, we just placed order ID. So only the order IDs will be displayed. Next is select asterisk from product where product ID is equal to 1000. So it displays the products having product ID 1000. So there's only one product having product ID 1000. So it is displayed that is the product is Office Desk. And the next is select asterisk from order where order ID is equal to 101. So the row having order ID 101 is displayed here. Now the last query is the select asterisk from customer where customer ID equal to 2. So this customer ID is 2 for this Henry Smith. So it's displayed here. Now we commit this and spool off means the file will be saved. So that was it. Thank you.